twist for Deepthi now. She has no idea, not even a bit, that auto will be stopping near D-Mart. So she thought we are directly going to the place where we are going for reception. So I'll give her a twist now. Anna, Kurlappa complex hatra ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಹತ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಕುರ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. 3, 2, 1. So now we'll go to D-Mart. Bye.
Now where? There near Shasharipuram.
Buy the gift for the person and then we'll go to Shashari.
Not just the directly D-Mart only. We will come and pick
Then surprise!
My madam is asking what gift is ಅಂತ. ಆಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಅವರು 8 o'clock ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರಾ? ಕಳಿಸಿ ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರದು. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
లోపల సరే ఇట్లా పెట్టుకోవడం బెస్ట్ అనిపిస్తుంది.
కార్తీ
Arrived at the destination.